In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your finances using Monarch Money. Monarch Money is a powerful budgeting tool designed to give you a clear picture of your financial health by integrating all your accounts into one easy-to-navigate platform. So let's dive in and explore each step to get the most out of Monarch Money. First, let's get started by logging into your Monarch Money account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Monarch Money login page. Enter your username and password, then click the login button. This will take you to the main interface where you can start managing your financial life. Once you're logged in, the next step is to link your various financial accounts. This includes your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. Linking these accounts will enable automatic updates, giving you a real-time view of your financial status. Navigate to the Settings or Accounts area and choose to add or link an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect each of your financial accounts to Monarch Money. With your accounts linked, proceed to the dashboard. This is where you get a comprehensive overview of your finances. Here, you'll find insights into your total income, total expenses, account balances, and even your net worth. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different sections of the dashboard. Clicking on each of these areas will provide you with more detailed information, helping you track your monetary flow effectively. Next, let's move to the Transactions tab. This is where you'll manage your financial activity in detail. Click on View All Transactions to see an exhaustive list of your past spending and income. This view is incredibly useful for reviewing your financial habits and noticing any unusual activity. Additionally, you can categorize these transactions, which helps in accurately tracking and comparing your income and expenses. If you need to remember why a certain transaction occurred, don't hesitate to add notes for future reference. Now it's time to set up budgets and goals. Having clearly defined budgeting goals is crucial for avoiding overspending. Navigate to the budgeting section where you can establish limits for different spending categories and save towards your goals. This tool will enable you to track your spending relative to your predefined limits, ensuring you remain compliant with your financial plans. Another useful feature is setting up alerts and notifications. This ensures you're always informed about bill due dates and received warnings about any potential overspending or unusual account activity. Enabling these notifications is straightforward and can be done through the Settings menu. Finally, make use of the Reports and Charts section. Here, you can analyze your financial trends over time. It's a fantastic way to visualize monthly expenses, delve into category-wise spending, and assess your savings progress. This data-rich component of Monarch Money helps keep you aware of your financial standing, allowing you to make informed decisions promptly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming more organized and effective in managing your finances using Monarch Money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial management tips and tricks.